Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola One Vision Plus, and let me show you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps and find the settings. Here let's go to the security and choose encryption and credentials. As you can see, on the very bottom of the list we've got the clear credentials option, so let's tap on it. If you really want to remove all the contents, click on OK. And if you've got a PIN, password or a pattern, simply enter it in order to confirm whole step. And as you can see, the credential storage is erased. So that's all. This is how to clear credentials in your Motorola One Vision Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.